Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can set a task in your Sunsama account or Sunsama application to recurring. So let us dive into this. Navigate to the Sunsama app, and you can do this for a newly created task or tasks that have been already added to your calendar. I will go with one of these here that I have created for demonstration purposes. So click into the given task, navigate to it, of course, in your calendar, and click into it with your left mouse. After that, what you want to do, guys, is click into these three dots here and select repeat from other actions. And here, select, for example, every or specific day of the week, or a number of selected days of the week, like every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, or every week, for example, every third week. And then you may also assign a time here, for example. Let's say, let us switch from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. and that's it. After that, a recurring task will be created. So if I click into it, of course you will need to click into save here. So let me again click into these days, and there it is. You will see the change here. So this task will be repeated every week on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.